Hello there guys and girls, good evening. Take a look at these three lovely cats. I love the way how they rest. See that? I'm gonna give you a shining moments, okay? How are you doing? Sorry if I'm disturbing your rest. Say hi. You seem so quiet. Yeah, I know. You're resting. Sorry. My apology. What a wonderful shot. Guys and girls. See that? Lovely cats. Bye for now. Enjoy your night.